face. Oh.
Wants to share it with you.
Oh no, she's living like that.
We had a border collie, first cross for 17 years.
Yeah.
And he's doing nothing wrong with it.
We were hoping to go out this year and see lots of cars. We're going. Prospect Spring.
How old is he?
Prospect Spring, so he's going to go out.
Stand with his own people.
Still a couple of years in the neck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pleasant.
And their eyes are never off you. They're watching you constantly, aren't they? What's the with you?
Oh, it's... Oh.
To get in bed first, after that night.
Oh.
Hey, good girl. Oh, you good girl. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at you. Absolutely.
Yeah.
He's had a fun time. He's hates dogs, that's the only problem. Right? Unfortunately, he's so protective of the sun. He's on your throat. It's a shame, isn't it?
So you won't be having pussies.
We wanted